Can I ask you one question? When was the last time you actually looked at your today's date and realized how much time of this year has already passed? Because I did today. And honestly, it scared me a little. Kindly bear with the reflection because right in front of me there is window. Okay, तो उसकी वजह से चश्मे पे reflection आ रहा है. This diary, a sketchbook, it has been sitting on my shelf for months. I did not open it because every time I looked at it, it reminded me of the promises I made to myself but could not keep. I thought that if I ignore it, maybe I wouldn't have to, think about failing. But today, I opened it again. And it reminded me of the version of myself who was so excited for this year. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kanak, and today isn't about becoming the best, or the perfect version of ourselves. It's about, becoming someone who has the courage to begin again. In this video, I want to take you through my journey. I'll show you the girl who I was in January, how I slowly stopped, showing up for myself. The one thing hidden inside this diary that completely surprised me, and finally, why today I'm choosing to begin again. So let's open this diary together. So this is where everything started, January mein. Okay, so I did not buy a fancy planner. I bought it, I bought a simple sketchbook. देख सकते हो डॉम्स की sketchbook. I just bought a simple sketchbook and turned it into my personal space, my personal diary. I painted the cover myself, जो basically सबसे पहला cover इसका खुलती. I painted it. I just designed it and I colored it with sketch pens, crayons and whatever I had. And I wrote 2026 जो जब year start हुआ था and my name. I decorated it exactly how I wanted it because I also wanted my life to be colorful, playful and एकदम रंगीन होनी चाहिए. So that's why मैंने starting के 2 पेज में इतने कलर भर दिए because I was excited for this year. I wrote my name, I wrote 2026 and decorated it exactly the way I wanted. And honestly, I was so excited. I created monthly trackers. आपको दिखा सकती हूँ एक ईयरली कैलेंडर जो मैंने बनाया ही नहीं था, मतलब आदत, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई क्रिएटेड हैबिट ट्रैकर्स. I created my finance trackers. Wait, here the February guy, I'll show you. I created my finance trackers and yearly calendar, finance trackers, monthly reflections, skills I wanted to learn, my bucket list, things I wanted to buy, things I like, places I want to go, movies to watch, and like everything जो मुझे इस साल करना था. I had everything planned in my mind. Everything sorted in my mind. Yeah, even I have made my vision page. I have always heard the concept of vision boards, but मैंने कभी vision board नहीं बनाया था because I do not wanted कि मैं vision board पे जाने से पहले कि I was not ready for that mentally कि मैंने क्योंकि कभी ऐसा कुछ करा नहीं था. So I made a vision page in this diary. Instead of making a vision board, I made a vision page. Like I cut out little pictures and pasted them inside this diary. Every picture represent a dream I wanted, for myself. I wanted for my future self. Every dream I wanted to achieve this year. I even kept one page. I'll show you. I even kept one page, for the letter to myself. You can look at it. दिख रहा है? Letter to myself. देखा है, ये मैंने बोल्ड भी नहीं करा है. Everything is, आप देखोगे, कलरफुल एंड बोल्ड. I kept this page एकदम blank. And it's still blank. छठा महीना भी निकल चुका है. It's July है. And I don't know why I never wrote it. Maybe I thought I would write it later, or maybe I kept waiting for the right time, perfect moment. But that moment never came, and that will never come for sure. अगर ऐसे ही रहता है, we always, I guess, our biggest mistake is waiting for the right moment. Start from today. Do not wait. 9:30 पे ही पढ़ूंगी. Like we do know 9:30 we study. If it's 9:18, no, 9:30 पे पढ़ते हैं. 9:20. I guess we should start at that moment. And waiting for that right moment, वो moment कभी आया ही नहीं. I also kept one page for my 2026 goals. I'll show you. Wait, इसको मैंने इस बार finance है थोड़ा, है ना. See, 2026 goals, and this page is also blank. I don't know. I had goals in my mind. I just never gave them, I just never penned them down. I just never gave them a place on paper. January was honestly amazing. I was consistent. I was excited. I was checking my habit tracker almost every day. But then college happened, assignments happened, exams happened, life happened, and slowly my consistency disappeared. You can look at it. मार्च पे आ गई, अप्रैल पे आ गई, अप्रैल का कोशिश करी, उसके बाद you can look at it. My diary is, wait, yeah, my diary is blank. Everything is blank. Why? Everything was set till January. February में थोड़ी सी कोशिश की. It isn't full. March came. March एकदम completely lost था, and then April में I did something, but उसके बाद never. I did not even want to look at it. I kept it under my books कि मेरी नज़र ही ना जाए. I wanted to ignore it knowingly, you know. I kept it under my books because pretending it didn't exist felt easier than accepting that I had stopped doing. I had stopped moving forward my, जो मैंने अपने लिए सोची थी चीज़ें. And maybe your story looks like a little mine. We start every year with so much excitement and then life gets busy and suddenly another year starts looking exactly like the previous one. हर साल ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं but no changes inside us that much. इतना greater change नहीं आता है और sometimes very minute change जो हमें खुद ही visible नहीं होता because we always look at the negative side. But today something made me smile. I opened my diary, my page things to buy page, and I started reading everything I had written and I started see things to buy में I had very small चीज़ें, not that biggest thing कि एकदम कुछ बड़ा नहीं, बट या आई वांटेड कि जो मुझे चाहिए थी कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें या कि मतलब ऐसे था, ऐसा नहीं था कि बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें. फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेल यू, अ बॉटल, मेरी पिंक बॉटल मुझे एक चाहिए थी, मैंने बहुत टाइम से सोच रखी थी, एक मेकअप की किट एंड इन दैट मेकअप की थिंग्स बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड मेकअप एंड आई डिड नॉट हैड. तो मुझे एक आई शेडो पैलेट चाहिए थी, जैसे आई हैड मेरे माइंड में था कि मुझे ऐसी चीज़ चाहिए, मुझे वो वाली बॉटल चाहिए. इवन आई रोट वॉच, ऐसा आई एम वेरी बिग फॉन्ट ऑफ वॉचेस, ऐसा नहीं मैं वॉच नहीं ले सकती, तेरे आई हैड मेनी वॉचेस बट दिस टाइम आई थॉट कि नो आई हैव टू टेक अ ब्रांडेड वॉच, मुझे थोड़ी एक्सपेंसिव वॉच ही चाहिए. और वो मैंने ये सब चीज़ें लाइक देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स, बुक्स हैं, स्टोरी बुक, नॉट स्टोरी बुक्स, मतलब मेरी एकेडमिक रिलेटेड बुक्स हैं और कुछ वैसी बुक्स हैं. सॉरी गर्मी, मैंने फ़ैन बंद कर रखा है. ओके एंड नाउ व्हेन आई वाज जस्ट scrolling नहीं, I was just flipping my pages of the diary, I realized कि इस पेज में I had many things. Then I realized कि यहाँ पे think law of attraction works and manifestation worked here. When I penned it down, I guess कहते हैं ना कि चीज़ें revolve around the universe and they get back to you. You don't even realize. But we are so busy looking at those negative things कि मेरे पास वो नहीं है, मेरे साथ ये नहीं हुआ या मैंने वो नहीं करा, कि हम पॉजिटिव चीज़ें देखना ही भूल जाते कि हाँ ये चीज़ें भी हमने कभी सोची थी और ये हमारे पास हैं. या फिर we are such human beings कि we do not look at the positive side. We are so busy in looking at the negative sides and दूसरों की positive sides में कि we just completely हम अपने आप को ही खो देते हैं. So I had my purse gifted by my sister Savannah से on my birthday. I had Timex की watch gifted to me by my father on my birthday. I bought some of the books जो मुझे चाहिए थी. These are such small things and maybe but they matter to me, and that's when I realized something. If it's manifestation, I don't know what it is, it's law of attraction, but I do know this: when you write down your dreams, you start paying attention to them, you notice opportunities, appreciate your progress, and you stop forgetting the little things you have achieved. Maybe that's the real magic. And then I reached to my favorite page, my January reflection. I'll show you. Yeah, my January reflection. Okay, is it visible? Yeah, my January reflection. This is honestly one of the biggest thing I have ever created, I think so. The questions, it had the questions which I have to ask to myself after the every month ends, like what worked this month, what didn't, and the moment made me smile, something I learned, what I'm proud of, and if I could redo this month, then what would I change, and how do I want to show up myself for the next month, और how do I want my next month to be. अब इसमें you can see मैंने चीज़ें लिखी है, like for example if I take a moment that made me smile, there are 7 moms जो कि मुझे याद भी नहीं होंगे of course जुलाई में, but when I have just visited this page, when I got through this page, मुझे पता लगा oh I had so many positive things January में, and see I had all my progress written in it, and how do I wanted my next month to be. So there are things, if like I also want you to write these type of questions. I'll list their questions, okay, and you will see कि आपने हर महीने अपने आप को कैसा improve करा. And after reading these answers today, जो मैंने इस questions के लिखे थे, felt like I'm talking to the January version of myself. She wasn't perfect, but she believed in herself, and somewhere along the way I forgot to believe in her. So today I'm not buying a new diary, I'm not pretending that this never existed, I'm continuing this one. I'm writing the letter to myself today itself that I never wrote for myself, and I'm finally filling my goals page. I'm bringing back my monthly reflections, my finance trackers, my habit trackers, because I don't want another year to disappear when I'm waiting to feel ready. And that's why I'm starting a brand new series, Becoming Her. Not becoming perfect, not becoming somebody else, just someone who is healthier, stronger, happier, and more disciplined version of myself. Over the next few weeks, I'll work on improving my health, correcting my posture, moving my body, reading every day, and taking care of my mental health. Every single day, I'll upload a short sharing one small step because I don't believe our lives change suddenly, one small win at a time. So if you have been waiting for Monday or for next month or for the perfect version of yourself, this is the sign to stop waiting. Let's begin together. So this is where it begins. I'm reopening this diary. I'm giving myself another chance. And if you have been waiting for the perfect time to start again, I hope this video reminds you that it's never too late. We are going to collect one small win at a time, and I'll share this journey with you every single day through Becoming Her series. I really hope you'll join me on this journey, because I know it will be much fun if we grow together. And yes, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Take good care of yourself, keep blooming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, bloomers.